Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can set up direct deposit on Chime without a job. So in Chime, you don't actually need a traditional job to set up a a direct deposit on Chime. So what you just need is a source of income that you can electronically deposited into your Chime account. So here is the process. So there are three options on how you can direct deposit on your Chime. So to set up direct deposit, you will need your routing number and account number handy. So you can find this info in the Chime application under the move money and then set up direct deposit. So first option is you can have Chime do it for you. So if your employer or payroll, the provider is supported, you can also find them in the Chime application. So at the bottom of the setup direct deposit, you will see that you can search among more than 20,000 employers, payroll providers, and unemployment agencies directly in the application. So you can just tap on Find Employer to begin your search. Now, the second option is you can use the Chime Employer Portal. So the Chime makes it easy for you to set up direct deposit in the application, but you can also grab your account and routing numbers and sign up through your employer or payroll provider instead. So here's how. First, you just have to log in directly into your payroll provider portal, like ADP, for example, to update your payment method. From there, just have to enter your account information into the portal and choose the amount of the paycheck you would like to deposit and save your changes right after. And after that, you just have to confirm your human resources department, the payroll provider, or the manager that everything was set up correctly. So just a note that you can follow the same steps if you're depositing unemployment benefits. So you just have to make sure that you're using your state's government portal instead of your payroll provider. Last option is you can also do it yourself. So to set up direct deposit via form, you can open your Chime application and go to the Move Money and then tap on Set up Direct Deposit. From there, just tap on Get Completed Form and the Chime will email you a completed direct deposit form as a PDF. So on the form, you can designate whether you want your entire paycheck direct deposited in your account or if you want a specific amount or percentage deposited instead. So you just have to email this form to the manager or the HR department and they will take it from there. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!